Hi everyone, this is Ashley Hubbard, Health and Diet Coach, and in this video I am going to teach you how to eat healthy to lose belly fat. I will give you some practical guidance and some essential tips from this tutorial so that you can increase weight loss and reduce belly fat. So if you want to know how to eat healthy and lose belly fat, make sure you watch the rest of this video. Stay tuned. Step number 1. Get more soluble fibre into your diet. If you want to reduce belly fat, then adding more soluble fibre into your diet is a good way to start. Soluble fibre absorbs water and forms a gel that helps slow down food as it passes through your digestive system. Studies show that this type of fibre promotes weight loss by helping you feel full, so you naturally eat less. It may also decrease the number of calories your body absorbs from food. In addition, soluble fibre can also help fight belly fat. An observational study in over 1,100 adults found that for every 10 gram increase in soluble fibre intake, belly fat gain decreased by 3.7% over a 5-year period. You should try to make an effort to consume high fibre foods every day. Here are some good sources of soluble fibre which you can include in your diet to help reduce belly fat. Flax seeds, shirataki noodles, Brussels sprouts, avocados, legumes and blackberries. Soluble fibre may help you to lose weight by increasing fullness and reducing calorie absorption. For better results, try to include plenty of high fibre foods in your weight loss diet. Step number 2. Stay away from foods that contain trans fats. If you wish to lose belly fat, you should try and avoid foods that contain trans fats. Trans fats are created by pumping hydrogen into unsaturated fats such as soybean oil. They are typically found in some margarines and spreads and also often added to packaged foods, but many food producers have stopped using them. Trans fats have been linked to numerous things such as inflammation, heart disease, insulin resistance and abdominal fat gain in observational and animal studies. A 6-year study found that monkeys who ate a high trans fat diet gained approximately 33% more abdominal fat than those eating a diet high in monounsaturated fat. To help you reduce belly fat and protect your health, you should try and read ingredient labels carefully and stay away from products that contain trans fats. These types of fats are often listed as partially hydrogenated fats on the nutrition labels on food packages. Some studies have linked a high intake of trans fat to increase belly fat gain. Regardless of whether you're trying to lose weight, you will gain more health benefits by limiting your intake of trans fats in your weight loss diet. Now, I still have some more practical tips and advice to give you, so please don't go anywhere. But if you want a complete weight loss diet program, click the link below the video and it will take you through to my website, bit.ly/yourcustomketodiet. Here you can get instant access to your custom keto weight loss diet plan within 5 minutes from now. Please check out the link in the description below the video for more information. Step number 3. Ensure that you don't drink too much alcohol. You can gain health benefits by drinking alcohol in small amounts, but it can be seriously harmful for your health if you drink too much. Research also suggests that too much alcohol can also make you gain belly fat. Observational studies link heavy alcohol consumption to a significantly increased risk of developing central obesity, that is, excess fat storage around the waist. If you begin to cut back on alcohol, this may help reduce your waist size. You don't need to give it up altogether, but if you limit the amount you drink in a single day, this can help you reduce belly fat. One study on alcohol use involved more than 2,000 people. The results showed those people who drank alcohol daily but averaged less than 1 drink per day had less belly fat than people who drank less frequently but consumed more alcohol on the days they drank. Excessive alcohol intake has been associated with increased belly fat. If you need to reduce your waistline, consider drinking alcohol in moderation or abstaining completely for a while. Step number 4. Eat a diet which is high in protein. If you would like to improve your health and reduce fat from your waistline, then protein is an extremely important nutrient for both weight management and weight reduction. You can benefit in numerous ways by including more diet in your weight loss diet plan. High protein intake increases the release of the fullness hormone PYY, which decreases appetite and promotes fullness. If you increase the amount of protein you eat in your diet, this will also raise your metabolic rate and helps you to retain muscle mass during weight loss. Many observational studies show that people who eat more protein tend to have less abdominal fat than those who eat a lower protein diet. For a healthy long-term weight loss diet plan, you should try and include a good protein source at every meal. Here are some examples of high protein rich foods that you can include in your diet. Meat, fish, eggs, dairy, whey protein and beans. High protein foods such as fish, lean meat and beans are ideal if you're trying to shed some extra pounds around your waist. Step number 5. Reduce your stress levels. One of the best ways to reduce belly fat from your waistline is to find ways to reduce the amount of stress that you have. The more stress you have, the more likely it is that you can gain belly fat. This is because stress will trigger the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, which is also known as the stress hormone. Research shows that high cortisol levels increase appetite and drive abdominal fat storage. Here is something else that you want to think about. Women who already have a large waist tend to produce more cortisol in response to stress. Increased cortisol further adds to fat gain around the middle. To help reduce belly fat, you should try to make the time to engage in pleasurable activities that can effectively relieve stress. Practicing yoga or meditation can be effective methods for stress relief. Stress may promote fat gain around your waist. Minimizing stress should be one of your main priorities if you're trying to lose weight and reduce belly fat. So, if you want more advice and you want a complete diet program to increase your weight loss, click the link below the video where you'll be taken to my website, bit.ly/yourcustomketodiet. On the website, you'll be able to get access to your custom keto diet plan for weight loss within minutes from now. Please check out the link in the description box below the video for more information. So now, I would like to hand it over to you. Which tip from this tutorial are you going to use first? Please tell me by leaving a comment below the video right now. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video, and I will be more than happy to help you, and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. You can do this by clicking the red button below this video right now. That way you won't miss out on my future videos. Thank you. And it would really help us out if you can give the video a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best for your weight loss plan. Have a fantastic day.